Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this strobe and zoom edit on CapCut PC. So I'm going to select the AI stylized section. I'll go to style here and I am going to select this 3D zoom one. If you can't find it, it's in motion. There's two options to do so. Make the duration a little bit longer here. Let's see if I like this one better or this one. Just wait for it to process a little bit. Okay, this is the other one. Okay, the first one was better, so let's do that. And then I'm going to go to the effects section here and let's go to nightclub. So I'm going to select black flash and let's see. And I'm just going to make the speed a little bit faster. Just be warned of this is flashy, so if you can't look at it, don't. So slide it to the right, and that is basically it really. Let me see if there's also like just a strobe filter or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna, oh, you can also use this one if you'd like to. So either use strobe or black flash. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!